Yay, best friend love.
Yeah.
Get the pinky.
Yes.
Yay.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Hannah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be filming a look on my best friend. How'd I do?
Yes, we're ready.
No.
Oh, we're not ready.
No. I keep seeing how frizzy my hair is and I don't like it. Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. This is Andrea, who's still fixing her hair. This is my best friend who I just found yesterday. We haven't been friends for very long, only 16 and a half years, so like a second. Anyway, I did this to her face and it took a good job. Thank you.
She did a very good job.
And I really like your nose highlight. Anyway, I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so feel free to subscribe and hit the bell notifications. That way you'll be notified whenever I post. Also, make sure to like this video. It really helps me out. So that's all I have to say. Let's go ahead and get into the video. So we are going to start with moisturizing. So this is Mary Kay, time-wise, because she's old and needs to like watch the wrinkles. Ooh, that's a fun little situation.
That'll be enough for both.
I know. I know how to do eye cream. I distribute them between the ring fingers so I can be all nice and gentle with you. She's a little sick, but it's fine.
Just the sniffles.
You have nice, like, long eyelashes. They're nice and feathery.
Oh, thank you. I grew them myself.
Aww. Okay, and then this is also Mary Kay.
Habits.
No, she's a pro.
I have a lack.
I learned everything from her.
Yep. I'm master right here.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're gonna let that sink in. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do your eyeshadow first. So if you have fallout, I'm gonna wipe it away. This is Mary Kay eye primer. We're seeing a very common theme with. Anyway, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. Also, if you have not seen the one where I do Renee's makeup, I will leave that in the description box. You should check that out. Close your eyes. I don't actually put this on your eyeball.
Okay. I was mistaken. That's my bad.
Yeah, I know. Because you're actually the professional. Get it on your eyelashes too.
Just in case.
Just to prime those too.
Just in case.
Yeah, in case I want some eyeshadow
Never could be too much primer.
I'm glad you trust me fully. Because Renee was like a little skeptical apparently, which I was not very pleased to hear. Yep, keep your eyes closed so it can go so it can dry. Some people, I don't know how the professionals do it, but that's how I do. So we're gonna change it up from the Mary Kay and we're gonna go into e.l.f. for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use, this is an Eco Tools brush. This came in a set, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Like I don't know what you're holding. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this end because this is like a dual end situation, kind of cool. And I'm going to, for her transition shade, I'm going to take, nope, that's on the lid, sweetie. This is transition.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I know, the professionals do it differently. This shade right here as her transition shade, and so we're just gonna make a run-on sentence too. Tap off the excess.
Fun fact, I was an English major, so I'm just gonna
So you're just gonna cringe. Okay. So I'm gonna go like on your crease and a little bit above your crease as well.
Okay, sounds great.
Wow, can you contain your enthusiasm a little bit? You're
Do
too
you
much.
Do you want me to be expressive and wrinkle my crease?
Oh, okay. This is for the art.
So I'm being quite
You're
contained.
sacrificing.
I am containing myself.
Yeah,
for
yeah,
you.
yeah. Otherwise, I know you'd be super like, calm down. You have a pretty shade. I see you. I you.
Don't see you, but
I
feel
later.
you.
Why are you like this?
I mean, we always said we should start a YouTube channel. You just beat me to the punch.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you for knowing what I meant because you had your eyes closed and I'm like,
I get your vibes.
Move your head closer. Yeah, Nene didn't get my vibes. We haven't been friends long enough. We've been friends for like, what, 5 years? 6 years?
Dude, it's painful.
Yeah, I know.
It's been 16
a minute
and a half.
Yeah, so we've been friends for like a couple years.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. Ooh, you pretty.
Thank you. I try.
Who's talking to me? Yeah,
Shut up.
Who's not for you? This shade, because I like purple and like this trend. Oh man, you're so pretty. Right here. And if that's not deep enough, I think I'm gonna mix these two shades. I'm gonna take this and kind of like create an outer V on her outer corner area to darken that up a little bit. So I'm just gonna kind of like switch between those two. Tap off the excess so you don't get it like super chalky. We don't want that. I want to start on this eye for some reason.
It's already there and closer.
Is it closer to your side?
Throwing it back to the 2003. It'll take a while to get through this.
Yeah. We're just on
We
the
apologize
eyeshadow.
in advance. We're gonna
7 minutes in and we're just on eyeshadow.
We're probably gonna drop all of our jokes.
They'll get them. They were there.
Obviously, yep.
They were there. They understand.
I feel like we're probably the only ones that think we're funny because we were the
No, we're hilarious. Okay.
Shut up.
Let's start stand up. I'm gonna go on tour and everything. You're such a good little person. You know what I'm gonna do next.
That's the best compliment I've got in my mind. You're a great little person.
Add that to the list.
Add that to my quote book. Are you using my blending brush?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. We're using a blending brush now. Since I didn't say this, we're using her makeup, the kind of the same concept, yes, as the video that I did with Renee. So hopefully she can recreate this look because you're going to, right?
Definitely, because I definitely saw
This is gonna be
every
her
color that
No,
you
can
used.
watch it back. Stop being difficult.
Okay. I can't help it. It's my personality.
So I'm gonna take my ring finger, and this is a CoverGirl shade, Mink. Maybe we'll call you Mink. It's like a shimmery pink color, real pretty. I'm just gonna take my ring finger and put that on her lid. I meant to bring my setting spray in here. Why didn't you remind me?
I'm so sorry. I thought you were prepared.
I wasn't. I thought you got my vibes.
I do get
Man,
your vibes when I'm
sometimes-
sitting right next to
Sometimes
you.
you count on people and they just really let you down.
Well, this little professional here sometimes makes mistakes.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Pretty. I don't care if anything else works out, but like I like the eyeshadow, so that's gonna be it.
And it's great that everyone says my eyes are my best feature, so I'll take it.
I'm just gonna do some little blending for some good measure with that blending brush again.
Now, are you using the solo blend brush or the duo blend brush?
The solo one.
The solo one?
Yeah, I used the dual blendy brush. I used the blendy side of that to put your transition shade
The
in.
blendy side of the duo
Oh,
blending
he's
brush?
so pretty. We're going to highlight her brow bone with this shade right here. This is from e.l.f. by the way. This is like a contour palette. And I'm going to highlight her brow bone. Yes, good choice, Hannah. Way to go. I give myself words of affirmation because nobody does it for me.
Apparently, I don't do it right.
No, you don't. Try harder. So that's it with the eyeshadow. I usually like to let my moisturizer sink into your skin, so that's why I did the moisturizer and then the eyes, and I do the eyes first in case there's fallout, which I'm not seeing any, which is good. So we are going to go on with the face makeup. She has this e.l.f. mineral infused primer. This is the one that you wanted to try, right?
Yeah. What I have been using, this is the illuminating face primer. This is why, but it's kind of yellow. And I hold that up enough. Did I hold that good?
Do we have it?
Do we get it? Is that enough?
I think so.
Okay.
I think they read it by now. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna take and prime her skin with this mineral infused face primer. She hasn't used this yet. And I think I'm gonna do that 1 pump, 1.5 pumps.
1.5.
Cool.
Maybe 1 and
Use
2/3.
silicone-y. I'm not sure if you like that consistency. I'm not a huge fan of it, but
That's
to
not
each his
too bad.
own.
It's not bad.
Okay, so thankfully she brought her foundation because I know this is very surprising. We look like we'd be the same shade, but actually not. This is
I was gonna say, typically, like when I start off, I just put it on my finger and I pat. I don't put it on this direct.
yeah, I never put it directly on the sponge or brush. I put it
put
like
the sponge
I just I put it on my face first and then I blend.
Yeah.
So much. Okay, cool. Then I'm just gonna use this sponge. Do you remember like what brand this is or anything or no? Okay, we're gonna use this sponge.
I want to say it was the same as those. I want to say it was like Eco Tools, maybe.
Oh,
I
okay.
can't remember for sure. It's
Maybe
in the
Eco
same,
Tools.
It was in the
The
same
same
section.
area.
Yeah, it's like directly above the brushes.
Gotcha.
It was at Walmart.
I mean, they have makeup there. It's fine.
I'm pretty sure all of this stuff, other than Mary Kay, has been bought from Walmart or given to me as a gift.
We'll get you to shopping at Ulta eventually.
The
The same day that I get my mom
day
to
I-
wear mascara. That'll be the
The
day.
day I get a $1 million job, I will go
That's
shop.
not $1 million to shop.
How about $500,000 job?
Okay.
That's more realistic.
Okay. Well, yeah.
You have to understand, my budget for makeup is usually like $5. I cried. I spent $30 in one night. She was so proud of me, and I cried.
But
That
you
was
bought a lot
so
of
much-
stuff,
it was
and those
so
brushes
much
will
money.
last you for a long
That was
time.
so much money on makeup. I don't understand that life.
I do. This is the life I live. Hashtag worth it. I'm a millennial.
Apparently I'm not. I'm just a grandma.
No. She has really good skin because she started moisturizing at a young age and using that age rewind stuff. So that's how she remembers how long we've been friends. Like, she knew my grandma.
Yep.
When they were kids.
Plot twist, I am her grandma. Listen, I just added the professional.
Yeah, because you think a lot of yourself.
You're the one who's called me a professional and the best little person, so I just meshed the
I don't know
two
what you're
together
talking
into
about. That never happened.
I'm pretty sure it's on there.
I don't know. I can just cut it out. You don't really use concealer, right? Do you have concealer at all?
I do have concealer at all.
Because you don't really have... Okay.
I do actually put it under my eyes, and I make the little triangle shape.
Oh, I'm so proud of you. You don't use a brush for this, though?
No, I use the sponge to pat it in.
Oh, okay. I see you. There's gonna be so much sass in this video.
I mean, they put two of us together, so
it is what it is.
So there's a man playing an organ in my clock?
Yeah, I've had that clock for, not me personally, but that clock's been there forever.
I don't think I've ever seen. How long has that been in the wall?
I mean, how long have you had 3 cats? Is it 3? Okay.
2012.
Probably. Oh, no, wait. No, that clock's older.
So she doesn't tell me anything about her life. I just happen to notice things.
I don't use the settings for it yet.
Oh.
Okay, I mean, maybe
I'm just saying,
like
do we want to get it? Do we want to get it so we have it?
We're at 21 minutes. I'm gonna brush them up first. Man, I thought Renee's video with like 35 minutes was long. Like, nah.
Fam.
That was beginner level. I'm just like
pretty
lightly
sure that you just put that clock up today, because
okay, no, that's been here like as long as I've lived in this house.
I've never once seen it ever before.
Well, this is e.l.f. brow pencil. It was only like probably like $1 to $3, right? e.l.f. is a pretty affordable brand.
I think it was $3.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do the other one.
I never got my eyebrows done until
I inspired
December.
her. No, her other friends.
December.
Rude. She has other people in her life, but it's fine.
Well, it's more of they were pressuring. They were like, you should get them done. You should get them done. They look so good.
Because I've never told you that before.
No, you haven't. You just talk about how you get your eyebrows done.
That was me telling you get your eyebrows done. I thought you got the
I mean...
vibes. So we are going to now set your face with, this is Rimmel London Long Lasting Transparent Setting Powder. Set her face first.
I mean, you can tell me which brush to use. You don't have to use the same
You're actually the
brushes.
professional.
But you can also suggest what brush to use. You don't have to use the one that I use. There are different kinds of professionals.
Can you be a little bit more dramatic? Oh, there we go. Thank you. That's what I was asking for. Much better. Okay. Now we're going to go back into that contour palette from e.l.f. And what shade do you normally use?
This one.
Yeah, because that's cool tones. That's a good shade for contour.
And I go from the edge of my ear to the corner of my mouth.
I mean, I start here and go up, but that is the basic concept. Good job. I'm proud. Oh man, that was, whew, I felt that. Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade right here.
Do I need to make the fish face?
No,
Okay.
I know what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm gonna blend you up. I feel like I was the last person to realize that One Direction split up, and I was not okay with it. I really was. I was like, oh no, they're just going like solo projects, but like they're gonna still be together in denial.
That's great.
Harry wouldn't do that to me.
Has not been there.
It's been in that same location. Even though we redid this room, that clock didn't go anywhere. Like, it stayed.
To you, that has never been there.
Okay.
Oh, we're at 27 minutes.
I don't like
salmon.
you. No, we're gonna get a different one. Okay. BRB. I'm going to use, this is the brush that I use for my blush. And this is just a really universal blush. I really, really like it. As you can see, I hit pan. This is a Tarte blush. Words are hard because I didn't like the one that she had, so.
Oh, I just thought you said you didn't like me. That's fine.
Yeah, I mean, that too, but this is awkward, but I guess now that's out. Well, it's just like this line is not blending out for whatever reason because it's being difficult. I don't want like you to tell people that like, yeah, my best friend did your makeup and be like, oh, sweetie. What brush do you use to apply highlighter? We're gonna use this shade right here, the white one.
The same one she used on my brow.
Bone.
Bone. Brow bone.
Yeah. Go like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then like kind of on top of where the blush is. That's where you highlight.
Nose.
I'm gonna use, because this is what I normally, this is like a subtle highlight, but she's still pretty.
Thanks. Am I gonna get all the boys though? For sure.
I'm gonna set your face, so close your eyes, because, okay, thank you. And let that dry with your eyes closed. And then we're gonna do eyeliner and mascara, and by we, I mean her. Okay, we're gonna finish it off with lips. So this is like a nude pink color.
It says natural on the, the color.
Yes. And now I'm gonna take this lipstick in dark brown. It's also from e.l.f. I think that completes the look. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. This is my best friend, and I will see you in my next video.
All the love.
Okay.